What up mga solid subscribers, no? So, yun, grabe, umulan naman ngayon guys, no? Grabe naman, paiba-iba yung panahon talaga, no? Akala ko simula na po ng hindi naman sa tag-init na, pero yung maaraw na, no? Pero hindi eh. Bumabalik na naman guys yung tag-init na, kainis po talaga, no? I mean, tag-ulan, no? Nakaka-irita, sobrang nakaka-irita, tag-ulan, no? Pabalik-balik. Alam mo, kung uulan siya, saan tuloy-tuloy na, huwag yung mambibigla siya, no? Ay guys, panoorin na ito, no? This video is from I'm Paprice, no? Shoutout kay I'm Paprice. Tara.
Went viral on social media after fans noticed something about their actions during a recent performance at the Acer Day concert. You know, it's sometimes fascinating that whenever SB19 goes viral or stirs up conversation online among casual viewers and their fans, it's always about them delivering an outstanding live performance. And it seems to be a pattern that right after they do a live performance, chances are people will talk about it.
Mic check? Okay. Kala ko wala naman akong mic. Madalas na-trauma na ako guys eh. Kasi meron akong ginawang video guys, no? Parang 3 or 2 video yata yun guys. Alam mo yun, nagsasalita akong salita pero wala pala akong mic, no? Bad trip yan, no? Sayang yung video na yun. And alam niyo naman ako, nagre-react ako sa mga video na kasi hindi ko pa napanood, no? May times ako, meron akong mga videos na napanood na pero sinasabi ko yun sa umpisa pa lang, nasabihin ko, guys, napanood ko na itong video na to, pero ulitin ko lang. No? Pero most of the time, guys, so, sabihin natin 99% talaga, lahat ng videos ko po talaga, no? Lahat yan, raw ko po talaga napanood. Hindi siya to the point na napanood ko na siya, no? Gusto ko lagi yung initial reaction ko talaga, no? Kaya nga reaction video, di ba? Kaya nga siya reaction video, guys, no? So, yun. Ulitin ko sa inyo, sasabihin ko sa umpisa, guys, kung napanood ko na po yung video, no? Pero kung hindi, sabihin, yun pala yung first time ko mapanood.
Impressed with how good they were. Well, obviously they cannot be blamed, as SB19 always gives their 100% effort whenever they are on stage, making sure to surpass the expectations of the viewers. Just like their recent performance at the Acer World concert, especially their collaboration stage with Sarah G, which received overwhelming praise from the public. But more than that, the P-pop kings are known not only for being powerhouse performers, but also for their attitude towards other artists. This was once again displayed and witnessed by the public, and it is the very reason why the group drew attention online once again. So, a fan recently shared on X a short clip of SB19 with other artists during the Acer Day celebration. They were on stage taking group photos when viewers noticed that one female artist seemed slightly uncomfortable with her dress. The fan's caption read, "This was the photo op where Shuvi looked a bit uneasy with her dress. Stell immediately noticed, so he first used his hand to cover, and when they sat down, he positioned himself behind her. Stell is truly a gentleman." The video shows Stell noticing the situation and discreetly moving to block the view, both while standing and when seated, as a considerate gesture toward the artist. This gesture from Stell quickly caught the attention of both SB19's fans and supporters of the female artist, earning positive reactions and gaining more than 400,000 views on the platform. One X-user commented, "Stell is such a gentleman, I think I'll become a fan too." Another X-user wrote, "This is why I don't understand the hate SB19 is getting. They are honestly some of the kindest people I know. I'm not even a fan, but I truly admire them."
Yan kasi guys yung yung resulta pag pinaghirapan mo talaga ang isang bagay, no? And at the same time guys, pag hindi talaga lumaki yung ulo mo, pag na-handle mo siya na maayos, no? So ang SB19 kasi guys, no? Way back pa po talaga. Talagang yung attitude nila guys is talagang sobrang solid po talaga, no? Alam niyo yan guys, so sa mga nakapanood sa akin, alam niyo na kung sino yung mga close ko sa SB19 guys, no? And I mean ang naging ka-close ko sa SB19, no? And way back before pa talaga guys, no, yung ugali talaga is andun na eh. Hindi mo matatanggi guys talaga. Kahit sobrang galing na nila, sobrang ano na nila, andun pa rin guys eh. Kasi alam mo yun, alam nila kung paano pangalagaan yung career nila guys, no. Hindi ko sinasabing ginagawa nila yun para sa career nila, no. Pero minsan kasi guys, hindi mo pwedeng plastikin ang isang bagay, no. Tayo sabihin natin, okay, sige, in front of the camera, ganito gawin natin para ano, no? Tapos after nyan is magpaka-plastic na lang tayo guys, no? Hindi. Ang SB19 kasi guys, no, yun talaga ang ginagawa nila, no? Kung ang talaga ay attitude nila, kung ang talaga yung kung paano sila mag-approach sa mga tao, ganun talaga sila, no? And makikita at makikita mo yun. Tulad ako guys, di ba? Hindi, actually, kahit hindi na ako, no? Pasensya nyo guys, may singaw ako sa dila na kaya hirap ako magsalita. And, tulad yan guys, di ba? Pag nasa isang, ano kayo, kumpanya, kanyari, nasa isang kumpanya kayo, or kaya, ano kanyari, I think may mga viewer tayo, mga teenager, no? Kunyari, nasa eskwelahan kayo, first day of school nyo. Di ba sa umpisa is, gusto mong itago kung ano yung tunay mong ugali, gusto mong tahimik ka na. Pero once, after a month or 2 months, mga ganyan, hindi mo na mapigilan guys, ilabas yung tunay mo na ugali, di ba? So, ganun yan guys. No? Ang SB19, umpisa pa lang guys, pinakita nila talaga yung ugali nila, which is ito po talaga. No? So, hindi sila may hirapang itago kung anong talaga yung ugali nila. No?
SB19 leader Pablo also drew positive reactions for his kind gesture toward another male artist during the same event. This led to comments such as, "This is so cute, I don't know much about SB19, but I know how huge they are, and this just speaks volumes about this man's character." For context, a fan shared a video clip of Pablo where a male artist could be seen standing alone at the end of the line. He appeared to be shy, but Pablo, being the group's leader, seemed to notice and immediately approached him to keep him company, making sure he didn't feel left out. This action touched the hearts of
halos siya lang mag-isa si G23 nandito guys di ba? Pinuno, solid mo talaga.
Fans and received positive feedback from the public. One ex-user commented, "Thank you so much, Pablo, for that. It's deeply appreciated. That little thing you noticed is a big deal to us knowing that Will is shy. Aiton really made a great choice in standing you." The shared clip has already gained over 200,000 views on X and has been met with positive feedback. Other members were also seen displaying their positive attitude. Ken was spotted bowing to the band and other artists as a sign of appreciation, Pablo approaching their backup dancers one by one after their successful performance. Josh assisted Sarah G while she walked down the stage. Sarah also appeared comfortable with the members, even hugging them. These actions serve as a reminder that SB19 consistently carries themselves with humility and professionalism. From Stell's quick response to protect a fellow artist, to Pablo's gesture toward a shy performer, and the respectful actions of the rest of the group, SB19 showed the same humility and professionalism they are known for. Clips from the Acer Day celebration, now with hundreds of thousands of views, continue to earn positive reactions from fans and the public alike.
Ako sabihin ko sa inyo guys, no, kung sinusuportahan nyo yung SB19, kung every movement nila ay sinusundan nyo, no, guys, nasa tamang landas po kayo guys, no? Kasi SB19 is for me, I think for me isa sila sa mga artists or mga grupo talaga na sobrang worth it na suportahan guys, no? Kumbaga hindi tayo magsisisi bandang huli na ba't binoto ko to, may binoto, ba't ko napunta sa politika bigla ay ba't ko ba sinusuportahan to, ganito pala sila, no, diba? Oo, sige, hindi naman perfect ang SB19 na nagkakamali rin, pero alam mo yon, napaka-minor lang ng mga, kung magkamali man sila, napaka-minor lang, kasi mas lamang pa rin guys yung kabutihang binibigay nila, no? Kaya mahal na mahal talaga sila ng 18, mahal na mahal sila ng tao, no? Kaya at the same time guys, yung natatanggap nilang mga suporta, natatanggap nilang mga achievements, no, dahil yan sa kanilang attitude guys, no? Kaya shoutout sa SB19 talaga, solid, no? So yan, yun na naman ang ating video, no? Sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito, no? Actually alam ko na attitude ng SB19, pero syempre gusto ko lang din i-discuss sa inyo with the help of I'm Papa Rice, no? So yan, salamat sa lahat. This is Point of Signing out. Peace. SG.